In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion Peak Page Previews. Peak Page Previews are a simple way to open and work with your database pages without losing sight of the main view you're in. Instead of fully jumping into a new page every time you click on a database item, you can have it open in a panel or a modal, quickly review or edit it, and then get right back to what you were doing. First, make sure you're looking at a database in Notion. This can be any database view, a table, board, list, calendar, or gallery. The key is that you're inside a database, not just on a regular page. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the database. You'll see a button with 3 dots, often called the More or Options menu. Click on that. From this menu, you'll see an option called Layout. Go ahead and click Layout to open up the layout settings for this database view. This is where Notion lets you control how each page inside the database opens when you click it. In the layout settings, look for a section called Open Pages In. This is the setting that controls the peak behavior. Here, you'll see 3 choices: Side Peak, Center Peak, and Full Page. Let's start with Side Peak. Select Side Peak if you want your database pages to open in a panel on the right side of your screen. This is great when you need to see both your database and the content of a page at the same time. After you select it, click on any item in your database, and you'll notice it slides open in a side panel where you can read, edit, and scroll without leaving the main view. Next, you can switch to Center Peak. Go back to the same layout menu under Open Pages In, and this time choose Center Peak. With this option, when you open a page, it appears in a centered modal over your database. The background is still visible, slightly dimmed, so you know you haven't fully navigated away. This view is useful when you want a bit more focus than a side panel, but still want to quickly close it and return. Finally, choose Full Page if you prefer the traditional behavior. Again, under Open Pages In, select Full Page. Now, when you click a database item, it will open as a normal Notion page, taking over the whole window. This is best when you're doing deep work on a single page and don't need to see the database at the same time. You can change these options anytime per view, so feel free to switch between Side Peak, Center Peak, and Full Page depending on how you're working.